In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to square a number in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. Whether you're writing a math paper, a report, or just want to make your documents look professional, this trick will save you time and keep your numbers neat. First, open your Microsoft Word document and place the cursor where you want the squared number to appear. For example, let's say we want to type 5 squared. The easiest way to do this is by using superscript. Type the number you want to square, in this case 5. Then type the number 2 right after it. It's going to become your exponent. Now, highlight the 2 and go to the Home tab on the Word ribbon. Look for the font section and click the superscript button, which looks like an X squared. Instantly, the 2 moves slightly above the baseline, showing it as a proper exponent. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts for speed, here's a tech tip. After typing your number and the 2, highlight the 2 and press Ctrl+, Shift++ on Windows, or Command+Shift++ on Mac. Your squared number will appear instantly. No need to navigate the toolbar. Another option, especially if you're working with longer equations, is to use Word's equation editor. Press Alt+ equals on Windows or Option+ equals on Mac to open the equation box. Then type your number, followed by the caret symbol caret, and then the exponent. For example, type 5 to the power of 2, and Word will automatically format it as 5 squared. You can also combine this with other mathematical symbols in the equation editor, like addition, subtraction, or square roots, making it perfect for technical reports, homework assignments, or professional documents. And that's it. Now you know 3 ways to square a number in Microsoft Word: using superscript from the toolbar, using the keyboard shortcut, or using the equation editor. Each method is simple, professional, and saves time. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.